we get confused how to teach the soft C tricky rule to our kids. Let's understand this through a story. Celia goes to city. Once upon a time, there was a girl Celia who went to the city and made 3 new friends, vowel E, I and Y. She was so impressed by these 3 letters that she even decided to change the sound of her first letter. So, she said that from now onwards, if letter C will be followed by E, I or Y, she will say the sound of letter S, which is S, and not the sound of letter K, that is K. Hope it helps.